In today's video, I'll teach you how to open American Express online account. First of all, open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now you'll have to go to the official website of American Express. For that, click on the search bar and type in americanexpress.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of American Express. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to create the account online, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to log into your account, but since you want to create the account, what you have to do is click on this option create new online account that you can see on the screen. You can see over here in order to create your account, you'll need the card with you. You'll need the 15-digit card number and 4-digit card ID. Also, you'll need to provide some personal details. Click on this option create account that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see 3 steps over here: get started, set up, finish. So in order to get started, what you have to do is enter your card details over here. Enter the 15-digit card number. You'll be able to see the 15-digit card number in the card itself. So simply enter the number over here. Now after you enter the number, enter the 4-digit card ID over here. You can also find the 4-digit card ID in the card itself. Now after you provide these informations, click on this option confirm that you can see on the screen. Now you can go ahead to step 2. What you have to do is simply set up your account. You'll need to provide the personal information including your name, date of birth and possibly income or address in order to verify your identity. After you do that, you'll have to set up your login. Set up a unique user ID and password for a secure access. Simply enter your user ID and password in the field of user ID and password and you'll be able to set it up. Now follow through the prompts in order to finish setting up your online profile. It can also include enabling the features like 2-step verification. After you follow all the instructions, your account will be ready to use. So like this, you'll be able to open the account. So that is how you open American Express online account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.